so sick and tired of my makeup drawer looking like this. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all really well. So it is a Saturday and I'm filming, but I am just so sick and tired of my makeup drawer looking like this. It has been like this for a few weeks now, filming and being poorly and everything just got really on top of me, and I just got so behind, and instead of like putting my makeup back where it usually stays, I just kept chucking it in the drawer. So I wanted a more kind of organised system to organise my makeup, so I bought some of these from Amazon. I'm not sure that there's enough and I'm not sure these will be correct ones, but we'll give them a go, and I need to sort out my makeup anyway. For today's video I'm going to be completely reorganising my makeup drawer and hopefully have some really satisfying before and afters for you. But yeah, I have a feeling that this is going to take a while, so grab a cup of tea and let's get to it. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is take everything out of the drawer and kind of put them into categories of primers, foundations, concealers and everything like that, just so that I can see what I've got and see how much of each product I've got, so that I can see how I can organise it. So hopefully that's a good start. I'm just really terrified of taking everything out. I'm scared I'm going to lose the motivation halfway in between and just have makeup all over the floor, but I've got to do it, so I think this is the best way to do it, kind of Marie Kondo style, so let's get to it. I wish these drawers came out, but I can't for the life of me figure out how they come out. I'm also just going to chuck any boxes that I might find, because I've got a habit of keeping my makeup and stuff in boxes. Okay, so that is everything out of my drawer. So now all I have to do is pop everything into sections to see what we've got. Let's just clear a little space so that I can actually create piles. Okay, so I've just sorted everything into their sort of piles, and I actually think I have a lot more makeup than I originally thought, and I'm not sure that all the organisers are going to be able to fit everything in them, but we'll give it a go. At least everything's organised into piles now and I can see what I've got, so I'll just show you. So I've got my skincare, everything here is skincare. These are kind of primer serums. We've got primers down the middle, foundations, setting sprays, concealers, lips, eyelashes and eyebrows, makeup, eyeshadow palettes, cream, contour and bronze and blush and whatnot, and then we've got powders over here in this tiny little, I've not really got many powders, that's strange. So yeah, I'm not really sure where to start here. I've just popped my brushes and my beauty blenders in a couple of the thingies. They're not properly organised yet, however I'm not really sure what to do with them, and they were kind of just lying all over the floor. So yeah, I think I'm going to start off by putting my lipsticks in this little lipstick holder here, just because I think that they'll look neater. I mean, excuse my carpet, it's covered in filth. But yeah, I think they'll look a little bit neater in that thing over there. So I think I'm gonna take these out. These are kind of liquid eyeshadows, and I'm gonna look through some of these MAC ones to see if there's any I can take out, because there's a lot here and I'm not sure I'll wear them all. Okay, so that's all my drugstore lip products put away, and then I just have these kind of glosses and like odd shaped ones that don't fit in this. So I'm just going to leave that one for now and move on to concealers, I think. Okay, so I have two little bins here. I've got this longer one and this shorter one. I think I'm going to try and fit the concealers in this, and if they don't fit then I'm just going to shove them in there. They all fit quite nicely, so concealers are sorted, but I think they're just going to like wobble about a bit, to be honest. Okay, so because I don't have that many kind of brow and lash products, I'm just going to put them all in this little bin here. Going quite well so far. Just putting all my liquid blushes in here and my bronzers. These are mostly from Revolution, the Super Dewy range, and these ones from Roxy's collection with Revolution, and then I have a couple here from Sculpted by Amy. I love these liquid products, they blend so well. And then just going to get one of these clear tubs and put the rest of the lipsticks in that didn't fit in the other container. I know they're kind of not fitting properly, but they'll do. So I have my cream bronzers and blushes here, and I'm just going to shove these in like that. Hopefully they fit. Yeah, they'll fit. So here are all my setting sprays. Hopefully they fit in here. If not, then I don't know what I'm going to do. Fit. Oh no. That'll do. Okay, I'm thinking of putting all my foundations in these two here. These are the longest ones I've got, and I'm going to separate them into my fair colours and my fake tanned colours. I'm hoping this will be a good way to do it. Okay, now that I've started putting them in, I actually think it might be better to do dewy foundations and full coverage ones, just because I have more foundations for when I'm tan than when I'm pale, so I'm going to move the dewy ones into this one. That's roughly organised. These are my kind of dewy foundations and these are my kind of full coverage, roughly. At least I can all see them all. I think that's the main thing. So I'm going to attempt to put my all of my primers in these three. I'm going to put my eye primers in here, I think, and then I'm going to put maybe the minis as well, if it fits. it. That'll do. So those are kind of mini primers and my eye primers. In this one I'm going to put the rest of the primers and any kind of and then I think I'm going to put serum primers in this one. Oh my god, there's hair everywhere. Okay, a bit of a change about. I've got my serum primers in this one, and I've just put all my kind of eye products and lip balm, and this is a tiny eyeshadow palette that I have that won't fit anywhere else, and that's going to stay like that, I think, for now. I think I'm also going to put this La Roche-Posay moisturiser in with the primers, because this is a really good moisturiser to wear before you put on makeup. It's kind of very mattifying and kind of acts a little bit as a primer, so I'm going to pop that in with the primers, if it fits. Yes. And then I put in this L'Oreal Hydrogel with the rest of these ones. We're just going to have to like work with what we've got. And then finally I'm going to attempt to put my powders in this one. I'm not sure it's going to work. We will give it a good go. Okay, so we are left out with these two powders, but I can kind of put them in at the side, and that's powders sorted. Then I also just put my little serums from La Roche-Posay in this little jar here, because these are unopened ones. Okay, so I've done the main bits of organising, but I've hit a little bit of a roadblock now. All of my primers, foundations, everything's organised into the little tubs, but I've run out of little tubs. So what I think I'm going to do is put everything back into the drawer that I've organised and see what I've got left out. I'll show you what I've not organised just now. So all of these are organised. These are my lipsticks back here, concealers, beauty blenders, cream blushes, lipsticks, bronzers, setting powder, setting sprays, my little serums down here, serum primers, eye stuff, powders, and those are the foundations back there. However, I still have all of this skincare to organise. I'm not really sure I want to keep it in my makeup drawer. And the other problem is all of the brushes over there, and I've got these little palettes here that I don't know what to do with either. I only have this little box thing left that I used to organise all my stuff in, but I'm not sure I want to use that anymore, but I think I might have to. And then also I have all of my Charlotte Tilbury main things over there. So if you're wondering when all the Charlotte Tilbury products are, they're over there. Managed to organise my skincare, and I'll show you in a minute, and it does fit in that last organiser. However, I've still got the problem of brushes, my makeup brushes. I've no idea where to put them. Okay, so after a lot of messing about, I think I'm finally finished. So I can't wait to show you, and I'm so happy that it's organised, sort of. So this is what the drawer is looking like. So here I have my full coverage foundations, my dewy finish foundations, primers, cream contour and blush, liquid blush, my sponges, my little serums, hydrating primer serums, and at the back I have my big Tarte eyeshadow palette and my setting sprays, and then I've got my powders here and here. I managed to fit all of my skincare into this little cubby here and put all of my kind of eyeshadow palettes here. I wish there was a better way to store it, but there's just not just now. I have my little brush cleaner here and my Sculpted by Amy travel makeup case here. My brushes, I managed to clear out the setting sprays from this little tub and put all my brushes in there. It is quite overflowing, but there's not much I can do about it just now, and they fit for now. And then all of my drugstore lipsticks and glosses, mascara and eyeliner, and then my concealers here. So roughly everything is organised by category. I'm quite happy with how it's turned out. It is so much better than it was before. But I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you think that this is the best way I could have organised it? I'm just happy it all fits in one drawer, to be honest, in sections as well. I tend to go through skincare quite a lot, so this does die down and fill up throughout the year. But yeah, I'm happy with how it's looking just now, and let's hope I don't get any more makeup because there is literally no room. Oh, and of course I have my little Charlotte Tilbury box here full of all my goodies and my favourite lipsticks. I think, like to get a little pot here for my brushes on my dressing room table, but there's no room for it just now. And I might put like the skincare that I'm using in my little fridge down there. It's a skincare fridge, so anything that I'm using on the daily I think I'll put down there. And these were all the boxes that I was hoarding in that drawer. Like, I used to keep all of my makeup in boxes because I thought that would keep it fresh and everything, and to be honest it has. It just took up so much room that it really didn't need to. But yeah, unfortunately guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I love watching makeup organisation videos. I love watching clothes declutters and organisation videos, so I hope you found it just as satisfying as I am very satisfied with the outcome of it. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you would like to see more content like this. I'll be doing a lot of organising in the next few weeks in the cupboards downstairs in the kitchen, and I also need to have a wardrobe clear out, so definitely press like if you would like to see more videos like that. But that's all for now, and bye. Oh, it's so late, I don't even know what to say.